Getting started with Google Keep.
Google Keep is a free note-taking app from Google that helps you organize notes, lists, and reminders. To begin, download the mobile app from your device's app store and sign in using your Google account. The simple interface makes it easy to create and manage your tasks, whether you're working or on the go.
Creating and organizing tasks.
To create a task, tap the plus button on the main screen and choose either a note or checklist. Enter your task details and use checkboxes for to-do lists. Color code your notes to visually separate work, personal, or priority items. Pin important tasks to the top for quick access and better organization.
Using labels and reminders.
Labels help categorize your tasks for faster searching. Tap the three dots on a note to add a label, such as work, shopping, or urgent. For time management, use reminders. Tap the bell icon to set time-based or location-based alerts, ensuring you never miss an important deadline or errand.
Collaborating with others.
Google Keep makes teamwork easy by allowing you to share notes and lists. Tap the collaborator icon on a note and enter email addresses to add others. Everyone added can edit and check off items in real time, making it perfect for group projects, family tasks, or shopping lists.
Syncing and access anywhere.
All your Google Keep notes sync automatically across devices where you're signed in. This ensures your tasks are always up to date, whether on your phone, tablet, or computer. Use the search bar to quickly find any note or task, making your workflow seamless and efficient wherever you go.